How to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Bitcoin on your Revolut account. So first of all, just simply go to your preferred browser and after that search for revolut.crypto.com and you will be landed to the official website of Revolut in the crypto section, where you just simply have to log into your account in order to make the transaction happen. So for example, you want to transfer the Bitcoin, just simply open the Bitcoin section and you will be landed to the page where you can transfer the Bitcoin easily. So in order to transfer the Bitcoin, you just simply have to select the country from which you are sending the, so for example, you are sending from Britain. So just simply select that as a country. And after that, over here, just select the amount of Bitcoin or the currency in which you want the Bitcoin to be converted. So you can select from any of the currency right here. And after that, just I'm selecting Bitcoin over here. And you can also select the amount of the Bitcoin that you would want to transfer. For example, you want to transfer 6 Bitcoins or you want to transfer less than that. So you can select accordingly. And after that, once you have selected the amount of Bitcoin that you would want to transfer, just simply click on get started and you will see this QR code right here. Just simply scan this particular QR code in the Revolut app in your mobile device. And after that, you will receive an SMS in order to make the confirmation for the purchase or the transfer that you are making about the Bitcoin. And then you just have to approve it and then you will be able to buy Bitcoin quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.